Boss up, baby. Let's go. Let's talk about it. Got a great new two gig apps. One I talked about on this channel before. Another one brand new, never talked about. Never seen anyone on YouTube in the gig tube space talk about this app. So we're going to get into it. You can drive your own vehicle with this one company, and they also have rental vehicles you can use. And the other company is more for cargo van, box truck, and semi truck drivers. But don't worry. Of course, I'm always going to give information for everybody to make most money on, especially this time of year coming up a holiday season. Be watching this as I drop it. Be watching this in the future after the holiday season, and it's still a good video, still good apps to use, still opportunities out there for you. And to make the most money, these gig apps are paying over $30 an hour. That's what the website is saying. Best driver is here in Atlanta. I have signed up, haven't had the opportunity to actually take any routes yet. So if you have drove for Fetch, leave a comment down below and let me know what city you're watching this video from. Comment down below what city or state you're watching this. Shoot me a shout out. I'm always love to hear from you. Always answering questions. You got a question about the best gig app in your area, what the pay is, leave a comment down below or just say hello. All right, so let's get into it. No long talk, long intros. The first company we're talking about, the first gig app that pays over $30 is Fetch. Yes, the Fetch package, Fetch driver app. Let's talk about it. Let's scroll through the website. Let's see what they are paying. Become a driver, earn 18 to 25 an hour, $9.20 a week. That's the average 40 hours a week estimate. Of course, if you work a little bit more, you can make a little bit more. Most of the routes, what I'm seeing, are in between 2 to 3 hours a day. You can do multiple routes in a day to get that pay. You can see some of the vehicles they are looking for: sedan, van, trucks, cargo vans. Must be able to lift 50 pounds. You see this young lady, she doesn't seem too big. She's be able to lift the packages and move stuff around, drop off e-commerce packages departments. That's where most of the routes are. Working with last mile delivery, delivering, be your own boss up, baby, and drive less. Like I said, most of their stops are real local. Go to a couple of apartment complexes, but apartment complexes, you got about 100 residences, so you can be easily dropping off 50 packages per apartment complex. And then your route every day, you know how much you're going to get paid, faster payouts, get back home to your loved ones, to your kids, to your babies. Real straightforward application process. But what we talk about on this channel, whenever we go through a application process, we never just one time submit or one time go through the app. We always try to find some type of contact information. So on this website, you see they do have a contact us little thing right there in the corner. They have like an AI agent you can contact. That's not the best for contact purposes. You can go to careers and see if we can find some type of corporate information, deliver us, view positions, view jobs. So here are the human resource, especially needed human resource, remote position. So here is warehouse driver hybrid. Let's see what this is about. Warehouse driver hybrid. So warehouse worker, sort packages. And once you sort, you drive them, deliver them to the door. So it looks like you are the sorter and the delivery driver with Fetch, which could be interesting. This one's only paying $17 an hour. So how are you a hybrid and a driver? Must have valid driver's license. I wonder if that's one of those things where they need a driver and you're available and they don't need that many people in the warehouse. You can go out and deliver, but you're definitely paying me more than $17 an hour if I'm doing double duty. And I wonder if pay varies per region, because a lot of the pay I was seeing on Reddit was looking towards the $30 an hour. Let's find something on the West Coast, San Francisco. Let's see how much San Francisco was paying. So, see, they're paying 22. So the same position in the same state or different states, you see the income is a lot different. Location matters. Of course, the cost of living is a lot more in San Francisco than it is down here in Georgia in the South, but the same position applies. Pay weekly, 150 packages, 150 pounds, the most you'd be expected to lift. So that's that. Let's see what else information we can see from the Fetch. Good people at Fetch, but I said all that to say we're trying to find some type of information to get a hold of them. If that little AI chatbot thing doesn't get a hold of anybody, and after putting in this information, you're going to get a hold of anybody, then I usually go to LinkedIn, Facebook, see if Facebook got any information. And this is how you go the extra mile. There's my Facebook account. I do have a Facebook page, a free Facebook page. Anybody interested in joining a free Facebook group? Link down in the description. People talking about different gig apps, different stuff they're doing to make the most money. Prime Day. I haven't did anything. I haven't posted anything in a year. So that made me the social media job available for Fetch. And you can see some of the stuff they do. Furniture, moving, Fetch. Still just a website. Here's a email address we found. And also we found the address of the home office. So if you're in Austin, Texas, you can pull up on them and see where they at and see if they got any work for you. You got to go the extra mile. And then, of course, LinkedIn should have a lot more information. I know I'm making this video a lot longer, but I'm just showing you the extra mile, extra details you need to go through to get a hold and don't be sitting on the waiting list for these jobs. Know how to get in contact with these people. And still very limited contact information. They are hard to get a hold of. All right, but you don't win some, you lose some. You can't reach everybody, but like I said, you always want to send an email, follow-up email with the initial application to make sure that they pull your resume and you get in contact with the people that's doing the hiring. All right. So next, we got the next one, which is Cargomatic. Cargomatic, it's real straightforward. This is the sign-up page. Sign up with your name, company name. So when you're doing these jobs, these 1099 independent contractor jobs, you definitely have to have your LLC, your business already registered. You see that actually asks for your company name and your DOT number. So like I said, this is for cargo van, box truck. So this is people who going over the road so you can ship with them. If you want to ship, you got your own clothing brand, furniture, business, some of the markets they work out of. And here is Drive With Us. You see the benefits, dispatchers, fleets, carrier benefits, quantity loads. You see the app shows you exactly where you're picking up from, where you're dropping off. Locality, power loads less than 250 miles. So they're not sending you all over the country. So like I said, this is for we're not even showing the screen, big baby. We're not even showing the screen. There we go. Driver van, Cargomatic. Driving, Cargomatic. Here's the home screen. Let's go back to the home. Sign up today. So you can see what they're basically asking for. Whether you're going to be a long haul, short haul, drayage. All my cargo man and box truck drivers are even interested in doing that. You've done your research. You know what you need, what type of equipment, how much it costs, but you didn't know where to actually get hired, where to find these loads. And here it is right here, Cargomatic, Cargomatic.com. On-demand capacity for on-demand world. So you're doing on-demand deliveries, white glove deliveries, kind of one-off loads, no routes, no contract. This is one-off work. So you be driving to different destinations every time you load up and accept the gig on the app. All right. So it doesn't look like it costs any money. It's called like almost like a driving board, lower board. But you got to be inside their system. Make sure you got your DOT number and all that. All right. All right. So I'm not definitely going to make this video longer than it has to be. Of course, the first company we talked about was Fetch, and the next one was Cargomatic. Go ahead, download these apps, sign up. If you got a cargo man or box truck, definitely sign up for both. But if you only have a car or you want to drive someone else's vehicle, you can drive a van with Fetch as well. All right. All right. Until next time, boss up, baby. Help you get up out the 9 to 5 rat race. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and don't skip those ads. Let's go.